Ой, сейчас, блин.
Привет.
You speak English?
Привет.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Hello.
Привет.
Тихо.
Ой, привет.
How's it going? How's it going?
Сказали привет. Instagram.
Instagram?
Write nickname.
Okay.
Yes.
Он разговаривает. Где ты живешь?
Live you.
I live in Korea.
А сколько ему лет?
Belarus?
How old are you?
19. I'm 19
Я
years old.
забыла.
19 years old.
19. You my husband?
Husband?
Блядь, ты сейчас высказал. Шутка. You my husband. Где мое кольцо? Хочешь ты кольцо мне пришли? Окей?
Okay.
Окей.
Okay.
You and me children, boys and girls, yes?
Yes, but I need to study. Oh, hi.
Hello.
How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Pretty good too. You speak good English.
Nice. Oh, thank you. That's nice.
Yeah, one of the
You're chill, though.
fluent
True.
person I ever seen. I love your style, by the way.
True.
It's like super chill.
Thank you. You said you like my style. Thank you.
You're like exact opposite of mine. Mine is like formal. Yours like chill. How old do I look? You think?
I don't know. It's like super hard to guess. 18
18,
or older, younger.
older,
20.
19,
Oh, okay.
19.
Like international age or like
International
19.
age 19. Okay. Since I'm from Korea, do you know anything about Korea?
yeah, I do listen to K-pop.
You do
Mostly actually, like mainly.
Seriously?
I do.
So you're open to all the Korean men's out there?
I'm open.
You're open? Okay. How about me?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm not trying to get your number or anything. I'm just asking. I mean, you look very pretty too.
Yeah, I don't really have a style. Like I just mostly use hoodies.
That is a style. I
and
think.
stuff.
That is a style.
Тут корейцы. Привет.
Привет.
Тихо, ты не кричите. Извини, пожалуйста. Не бойся.
What?
Ты по-русски говоришь?
No, no Russian. Do you speak English?
Заткнись.
Oh, you do?
Дуйду. Ты дура.
What is your
Не
name?
ты, не
What is your
ты.
name?
Даша.
Dasha.
Маша.
Masha, Dasha,
Ксюша.
Susha,
Да.
Masha, Dasha, Susha, everyone.
I can singing.
Huh?
I can singing. Singing.
You're single? Okay, you're single, right? You're alone.
I can singing.
Single, yeah.
You know?
I'm single.
Hello.
Hello.
I love you.
Hello. Stop it.
Oh. Thank you. How's it going, guys? How's it going?
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing?
You're so cute.
You're cute too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you guys are very cute and beautiful.
Thanks.
For sure, yeah. Why? What's wrong?
She can't speak English.
Oh. No, it's good. It's good.
It's
Oh, hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
You speak Spanish?
Poquito español. Sí. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Daisy, ¿y tú?
Daisy.
Daisy.
Ah, nombre muy bonita.
Gracias. ¿El tuyo?
Jay. Me llamo Jay.
¿Cuántos años tienes?
19. Yo tengo 19. ¿Tú?
Ok. Yo tengo 16.
16. ¿Qué hora es? Yes.
Las 12:30.
Mañana? Noche.
En la mañana.
Mañana. ¿De dónde eres?
Soy de México.
México.
¿Y tú?
Corea.
¿Seúl?
Seoul. Sí. Seoul.
Oh, okay.
Are you Korean?
Yeah, I'm Korean. Yeah.
No.
What? What if I'm Chinese? What if I'm Japanese?
Because I love Korean.
Oh, really? Thank you so much. I love you too.
Thanks.
I like your hoodie. Like what you're wearing.
Thanks.
It looks good. It looks good on you. And your smile is pretty too. Your smile. When you smile.
Thanks.
Yeah. By the way, thank you so much for talking. Appreciate it.
Oh.
Hi. How's it going? No. Don't. I mean, first of all, thank you for doing that, but I don't think I'm like that. If you know what I'm saying. Any-
You're so cute. So cute.
Thank you very much. What? Thank you. You want an Oreo and a cup of milk, maybe? That would be fine. I was just eating that. Relax, chill, relax. Calm down.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, how's it going?
How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you studying? Studying.
Yeah, right.
What are you studying?
English.
I can teach you some English if you want.
Why not?
Do you want to learn about past perfect tense? Do you know what that is? Okay. Had and past perfect verb goes together, and if it goes together, it means it has happened like long time ago and has stopped.
I understand.
I mean, my explanation was super bad, but
You are a good teacher.
I'm a good teacher. Oh, thank you. I hope you get a good grade on your test. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. What?
Oh my god, you're a YouTuber! I know you.
You know
I
me?
see your YouTube videos.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Wait, how did you see my YouTube video, first of all?
I just find.
You just
I don't
found it? Oh. Do you like my videos? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. What,
I'm
do
happy.
Huh?
I'm happy to meet you.
Oh, I'm happy too. I'm very happy. Oh, I didn't know my subscribers are in Germany. Yeah, thank you so much. Where are you
We
from?
love Korea.
Thank you so much.
Oh, сейчас будет.
Привет.
Speak English?
How's it going?
Oh, it's fine.
How old are y'all?
I am 17.
17.
I'm 18.
18.
I am 18.
You're Asian? Wait, no. What'd she say in the back?
18.
Oh, I thought she said Asian. Oh.
Where are you from?
Korea.
Where do you live?
Seoul. I live in Seoul.
Ooh.
Do you-
Like to visit Seoul, yes. Do you know BTS, K-pop, drama, yes.
Okay, drama.
Hello.
Hello.
Your voice is wonderful.
My voice is wonderful. Really?
Yes.
Your voice is wonderful too. It's pretty good. And your face is
Thank
also wonderful.
Thank you.
Yeah. So what's going on? Wow. You look so pretty when you do that.
Thank you.
Definitely. So, what is your name?
Victoria.
Victoria. Wow. I love your name.
What's
I love
your
your name.
Thank you.
My name is Jay.
Jay?
Jay, yeah.
Oh, cool name.
Who's right next to you? Who's right next to you?
Say hi.
Okay.
Is it a guy?
Yes.
Is it your boyfriend?
No. It's just my friend.
Oh, okay. I was just wondering. I don't know what I'm saying.
Hello.
How's it going?
Wait, are you really from South Korea?
Yes, sir, I am.
Are you a student?
Yeah.
Is it true, like, you know, the K-dramas and the real life of the school there?
I don't think that's true at all. But some cases, yeah. For example, I think the bullying part is very
really?
true. There's like some serious bullying, yeah. I think it needs to be stopped, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
I'm agree with that.
If you have been bullied before, you know how it feels like. So bullying has been a serious problem over here. This, you know, the Korean celebrities, they bullied someone back in the days.
Oh.
Now they're all coming out. So they're kind of in a bad situation right now.
That's pretty sad.
Yeah, I mean it's not sad. They're getting what they deserve. I think it needs to be more outraged.
What are you thinking about, like, you know, that my country, it's overreact to like keep, you know, K-dramas or K-pop things, you know?
I mean, first of all, since I'm Korean, I'm really thankful for that. For people like liking my culture and like, my things, my things. Since I'm Korean, so like I'm really thankful, and yeah, it's just been going so good. I think loving our stuff.
Say like you don't mind. I mean, you don't have problem with that.
No, never. It's a good thing. I think.
For you I'd fight, have fun doing things you like. I don't know if you'd be mine, but I know I can treat you